Protectionism is an economic policy where a country shields its domestic industries from foreign competition. Let's look at how it actually works. At its core, protectionism is about prioritizing local businesses by making imported goods harder or more expensive to sell. Tariffs are essentially taxes on imports. By adding a surcharge, the government makes foreign products less attractive compared to locally produced alternatives. Countries use these tools to influence trade. Whether it is a direct tax or a limit on quantity, the goal is to favor domestic production. Protectionism prioritizes local stability, while free trade focuses on efficiency and lower prices for consumers. Both approaches have distinct trade-offs. When a tariff is applied, the cost for the consumer often rises. This is the primary reason protectionism remains a highly debated topic. Remember that there is no perfect system. Every trade policy decision carries costs and benefits that ripple through the entire economy. Understanding these concepts helps you stay informed on global economic trends. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.